Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Zero 40. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.7% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi. Pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8, and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.0, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4, and rear dual LED flash, for selfies. It has 50 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front camera with aperture 2.5, and front dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14.5. Screen on top the device, and the company provides with 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76. Plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G106nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.3 by 74.6 by 7.7 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams. And the color options rock black, misty aqua, blossom glow colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt hyper-fast charging, 10-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with tuned by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Zero 40 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 64,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix Zero 40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.